If you're thinking of tool changes, then you need to be considering Sanjet International, a successful and sizable company. So, Alan, tell me more about Sanjet International.
Sanjet is a company devoted itself in developing tool changers. We make automatic tool changers for vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, and the 5-axis machining centers. We also make automation solutions for our customers.
And I said that you're a successful and sizable company. So just how big are you?
Right, so we have around 170 staffs and we had around 6,000 square meters working area in beginning of 2021. By end of 2021, we have founded our new headquarters, which added us around 4,000 square meters working area, which bring us to around 10,000 square meters working area right now. We are making around 20,000 automatic tool changers every year right now. And we sell all these products to all over the world.
Wow, I mean, 20,000, that's a huge number. Who is it that you're aiming these products to though?
So basically, we provide our standard products for OEM makers, but we also have some very flexible products which can be used by OEM makers or end users.
So what's the ultimate goal then for Sanjet International?
Basically, we are selling our tool changers to all over Asia. Right now, we sell our products to 10 agents in India, China, Korea, and Japan. But our aim is to sell our tool changers across the world.